Imagine you're stuck in a foreign country, miles away from home. Your wallet is empty, and you need to pay for a taxi to get to your hotel. What do? This is where GrabPay comes in handy. It's a digital wallet that lets you store money and make payments, even if you're in a new place. Today, we're going to show you how to transfer money to your GrabPay wallet, so you're always prepared for any situation. Before we dive into the steps, let's understand why GrabPay is so convenient. First, it's a secure platform that protects your money. Second, it's widely accepted in Southeast Asia, making it a great option for travelers. And finally, it offers a variety of payment methods, so you can choose the one that suits you best. Step 1. Download the Grab app. The first step is to download the Grab app from your smartphone's app store. Once you've installed it, create an account by providing your basic information. Step 2. Verify your identity. To ensure the security of your account, you'll need to verify your identity. This can usually be done by uploading a photo of your ID card. Step 3. Add money to your GrabPay wallet. Now it's time to add money to your GrabPay wallet. You can do this in several ways. Credit or debit card, simply enter your card details and the amount you want to transfer. Cash, look for GrabPay cash-in partners in your area. You can deposit cash at these locations. Bank transfer, some banks allow you to transfer money directly to your GrabPay wallet. Step 4. Transfer money from your GrabPay wallet. Once you've added money to your wallet, you can transfer it to other users or use it to make payments. To transfer money to another user, simply find their GrabPay username or phone number and enter the amount you want to send. Additional tips. Check fees. Some transfer methods may involve fees. Make sure to check the fees before transferring money. Security. Always keep your GrabPay account password and PIN confidential. Customer support. If you have any issues, don't hesitate to contact Grab's customer support. That's it. You've successfully learned how to transfer money using GrabPay. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that you're always prepared for your next adventure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.